What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the theme or the wallpaper on the Galaxy A53 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so this video is going to be for the beginners that just got the Galaxy A53. I know a lot of people know how to change the theme and the wallpaper, so if you already know that, this video is not for you obviously, but I do appreciate you watching anyway. But very simple tutorial, we're going to get straight into this. First thing you have to do is hold on the screen. After you've held on the screen, we're going to go ahead and click on themes right here. And we're just going to start off with themes first, because why not? Now, as you guys see, they have a bunch of different types of themes, and they have little featured ones on the top right here. They also have the top themes for you guys right there. But as you guys see, the featured is like hot new Pokemon Go fonts, so you can change different fonts if you'd like to, download fonts and such. We also have TikTok, we have deals, we have stickers and stuff like that if you guys want new stickers, but they have this pretty much laid out for you nicely. As you guys can see, official NCAA college teams. I know a lot of people are really big fans of sports out there, so that's definitely a cool thing to check out. We also have daily new themes right here, so this is a cool thing you can check out. Spring is coming, and I'd have to say my favorite, obviously, because I love saving money, is free themes right here. So if you guys scroll down, we actually have a ton of free themes, and all you have to do to go ahead and apply this, I think this one looks cool. It's like a little starry one. Go ahead and download it. Once you've clicked on it, you're gonna go ahead and sign into your Google account or your Samsung account. All you have to do is download it, click apply, and the new theme should be a part of your device now. So that is a very simple tutorial on how to adjust the theme. The wallpaper as well is even easier. As you guys see down here, wallpaper and style. After you've held on the screen, you're gonna go ahead and click on that. And we have my wallpapers, we have gallery, we also have lock screen wallpapers. If you guys want to change your wallpaper to maybe your family or something, you're gonna go into gallery. You can also change your color palette, which is really cool option right here. So if you want different types of colors for icons in your device, that is all you have to do. Now the color palette that I have it set on is going to actually be matched with the wallpaper that I currently have, which is cool. It usually does that automatically, but to change your wallpaper, you can go to downloaded ones, or you can go to the featured ones, or obviously go to gallery, but we're just gonna go ahead and choose one from my wallpapers. Let's go and click this one. This one's a pretty cool one. You can click lock screens, lock and home screen, or just home screen. But for this one, we're going to use set on lock and home screens. So go ahead and click that. It has now been applied. Now, once you've chosen your palette after adjusting your wallpaper or applying your new wallpaper, all you have to do is click apply. And your new wallpaper and your new palette is applied. So really cool stuff right here. Very basic stuff, but this is more for the people that are beginners. And hopefully this video did help you out. Hopefully this tutorial did. If you got some value from this video, definitely leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell down below if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.